Everybody, so TRYHACKME just released this new room, enumerating and brute force. This is their web um, application pen testing route. This is a new route, so I just wanted to check it out, see what's going on here. Let's take a look here. So we just need to visit this site, and then we should be good to go. Let me open up Firefox here. Give that a second. I'm using their attack box because if I need any tools, it's typically gonna be there, so that's good. Looks like we need to add that to our Etsy host file, of course. So let's go ahead and add that there. Nano Etsy host, and then go ahead and enter it. 10, 10, 7. I already put it up. 202. All right. Cool. And then we'll try to access the site. Looks like it's having issues finding the site. After 3 minutes, visit. Huh, wonder why we have to wait 3 minutes. Is that the box? 7 should be it. Let's go here, make sure I added it. Oh, I didn't put the name in there. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is the site here. Go ahead and increase it. All right, next we'll look at this authentication enumeration. This is a lot of reading. Um, yeah, so let me just read it on my own and then I'll kind of give you a summary. Okay, so we know here that verbose errors, if let's say you put in your password incorrectly, usually it should say username or password incorrect, but if it says password incorrect, then you can assume the username is correct, and then all you need to do there is just brute force the password. All right, so next we'll look at this next one here. Okay, so this is cool. I guess we can use this list here, basic authentication lab. I wonder if this is it here. Okay, so that's not it. Welcome to Phone Hub. Cancel. I'm trying to figure out which one's the one that we're supposed to use. Yeah, this looks like the one. Okay. And then from here, we want to use this script. So I'll go here. I wonder if they have the script here already. Let's see. Okay. Password attacks. Not really. So, okay, I'll just close that out. Um, we could just create a file called whatever this file is called, script.ph.python. I could locate it, see if it's on here. Let's see, locate script.py, and I mean, it looks like there's a lot of scripts like this. Yeah, so no, there's none like this. I think we just have to make it. So I just go nano script.py, take this code. That took too much. All right, copy it, paste it, paste it to this clipboard thing, and then from here, grab it. Or it gives you the paste option now. All right, cool. Close this out. Come here, make sure it all looks good. Yep. And then it says to go to this repository, so let's go there. It's got a username thing. We'll take that to the clipboard again. All right, cool. And come over here. We could do this a few ways. I'll just open up a new terminal. Doesn't let me open up a new tab. I like using open up a new tab, but whatever. Git clone. See if it lets me download it from here. Yeah, it's not letting me. Okay, so this is easy. We can just come here. All right, copy all those names to a file. And so we just nano, and we just call this one user names.text. I'll just paste that in here. All right, come here, drop that in. It should be way more than that. Oh, yeah, there's okay, control. Save that file, and then we got to run scripts against those usernames. So Python 3 scripts.py username. Is it with the S or without the S? With the S. Names.text. And if we run that, we should find some valid ones here. Maybe we should grep the output next time because it'd be easier. And we found one. This is it right here. This is actually kind of cool. I wonder if it works for all sites or if it only works for this one. Because if we look at the logic behind it, it's specific, that URL is specific for this website. So I think you'd have to alter that if you want it to work against other sites. But you can also use burp to do that. That's looks a little cleaner, I guess. All right, cool. So what's this next one we're doing? Looks like we're resetting it, intercepting the request, using some type of brute force via burp. All right, I don't think I've ever done something like this, so yeah, that's interesting. All right, so next we're going to go ahead and take this script that they have, and then this is going to be used, or actually they're just showing us logic, I think. Looks like we're going to be using burp to actually to do this here. So this is the Foam app, and they want us to go to this web page here. All right. And come here, drop that in there. All right. There we go. And then we come here, paste it in. All right, and that's the app. We got the forgot password here, so we click that. And then let's see, we're gonna use this email, admin@admin.com. All right, saying that it's been sent for the purpose of this web application uses the reset link. So this is pretending that we got that email to reset it, I'm guessing. I always forget I have to come over here and paste it in. And paste and go. And let's see what this says here. Invalid token. Notice the token is simply numeric character. So here's the token, 1, 2, 3. And next we're going to go ahead and try to capture this and send it to repeater, I believe. Was that repeater? Intruder. Okay. So got it. So let's open up burp. Burp web burp. And we can use this script right here to create a file that will have our brute force token list. Come up here, just drop that in there, and it should generate the list. Type ls, and there's the text file. This is in which directory? The root directory. Okay, great. Start. See what this next one is. Okay, so look like we're gonna like brute force the login. Okay, and then OSNet. That's cool. Okay, let me add an hour because I was you can expire. Oh, okay, so I have an hour and 32 minutes. This says 32 minutes. I don't know how that works, but okay. We'll try to run through it as quick as possible. I had to take my dog on a walk, so um, yeah. Let's see. Proxy, intercept on, browser. What? Your OS doesn't support the boot browser running with its sandbox enabled. You can allow Burp to run in its sandbox by disabling this. Huh, that's really weird. Yeah, no, we should be able to access this, otherwise we can't do it. Unless they want us to use this script, but let me see here. No, this doesn't have, that's not what we're gonna use. Um, okay. Maybe it works with just the browser and intercepts it. Let's see. If I go here and I go CyberChef. Yeah, that's really weird. Okay. Hmm. All right, give me a second. I gotta figure this one out. Looks like Burp is updating for some reason. I think I just maybe tried to open it at the wrong time, so we'll see if it opens. All righty, give that a second. All right, I think we need to go to the settings here. So settings, Burp browser, allow Burp browser to run without a sandbox. Let's try that. Settings, Burp browser, uh, allow Burp to run without a sandbox. Here we go. Okay, cool. So I think that should save. Just close it. Try to open it now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And we're working. All right, we're up and running. Good, 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 good. Only negative part is that I had some browsers already open. Where did they go? Here it is. So this is the one I want. This one here. Come back over here to the first one that I opened with Burp browser. Where are you at? Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's like a Chromium one. So I'll put that in there. Come here. Intercepts on. So we have to forward the request. Right. Now we'll do the same thing, except this time, um, try to capture it in here. Probably put this over here so I can forward it. It's over here. Admin@admin.com. And we'll send it. And then here's the request here. And I'm just wondering, what do they want us to intercept? I think they want us to intercept this request here. So we'd have to come here. Let me move this over here. Need a little bit more real estate here. It's just not enough room. I'm gonna try to move this over if I can. No, it's not letting me. Okay, whatever. Come up here. That's the link I want. So I have to put it over here because with the burps running. With the intercept the request. Here's the request. We'll go ahead and forward it, but then we'll also send this to intruder. Forward it. All right, so here's the request. Now we can follow along here, which we choose sniper. And then what I typically do, we'll clear it. And then I'll add these for this right here. And then after I do that, I'll go ahead and set the file. So I'm gonna do payload configuration. So this is kind of cool. This must be an update. I don't remember doing that before. Here's the file for with our brute force numbers. All right, so now should give us the option to start the attack here. Okay, good. So with that said, we'll go ahead and start the attack. Let's see, give me 200s. We're looking for the 1178 length. Haven't hit that yet. Give that a second. Which number did it stop at? Did it say? I'll have to scroll up to the top, see what we got here. 1126, that's the highest we've gone so far. So and you can see it's the status here. It's through 49 of the 200. So this may take a second. And then after this, we've got basic authentication 2K24. So I'll just kind of start just reading through this and I'll pause it. All right, so it looks like it's still going. Let's see if it's finished here. 1182. Oh, well, no, it's not. It's 11. No, it's still going. Okay. Okay, so actually if we take a look here, this is a length of 1126, but if we look at the request for this one and then the response, you can see that it did respond with your new password. So that seemed to have worked. Um, I guess we can try logging in with this one to see if it lets us in. So why don't we try that real quick? We'll go ahead and copy this. And then we'll come to the way. We'll go to this one. Or actually the one that's non It's not. It doesn't have the oh, this is it. This is the one that's intercepting stuff right now. So this is not the one we want to use. We want to use one that's not intercepting anything because that would be the easier one to use. Right. So I think I got the password here, and then we have the admin at admin.com. Submit it. All right, and then sure, save it. So then this is the flag here for this one. So copy it, paste it. Yeah, because I was waiting. I know it said you should generate a list between 0 and 100. So I was like, okay, it has to have found one already because we're going 0 to 200. That's way out of the scope. But hey, all right, cool. So that was interesting. Just brute forcing the tokens. And next we're gonna do this one. So since I have 15 minutes, we'll try to get through this one. Because I think it's gonna reset my attack box at least. Yeah, see, my attack box is gonna terminate soon. It's kind of annoying. But for this one, demonstrate, we're going to this site here. All right. At this point, I think we can close these out. I don't think we need these open anymore. Chromium, Chromium, we can leave that one open since we're going to be intercepting stuff, I guess, right? Cool. So let's click here. What we can do to speed this up is we don't have to intercept right now. Turn intercept off. Come here. Paste and go. All right, it's asking us for the password. So we'll type in, and then at this point we'll type intercept on. Come here, admin, test, and then we're gonna send it. And this whole thing says that passwords get encoded with base64, which isn't secure, obviously. So this is encoding it forward. All right, so that didn't work. Let me go back over here. This is the one that we had just done. Here's the admin test there. So we're gonna have to send this to, what are we sending this to? Intruder. Okay, intruder. So go to intruder. You can see it's opened up this one here for us. Okay, so click here. And oh, let's do it here. Got sniper. Oh, and then let me clear it first before we do that. So clear it. And then add this information here. Convert section, base 64, decode. So if we do that, once decoded, highlight the decoded string and click the add button. Okay. Actually, I think I decoded a little bit too much there. I'm supposed to only decode this. So there it is. Okay, good. And then add this to it. Great. And then after that, we use this password list, which we'll just access here. Come here, copy the raw. I think this one's right here. Copy raw contents. Come over here, and then we'll do what we did earlier. Just open the terminal. Nano common password dot text. I'll go ahead and copy that there. Oh, what the heck? Why did it add all these spaces? Ah, it's not supposed to add these spaces. That doesn't look clean. That's going to cause a lot of issues, I think. Yeah, there's like spaces. All right, so let me You just go ahead and let me exit that. No, we won't save it. So try to do this again. All right. That's a lot of lines. I'm just gonna try and manually copy it. Maybe it might work better if I do it that way. Come on, come on. Oh, you know what? Huh. That probably did that because I'm supposed to copy it here, remember? I, I forgot to do it that way. Ah, here we go. Good. That's probably why. Yep, there we go. So that's working now. Control O, enter, Control X, move this. Alrighty, so come over here. We'll put the payload. No, it's common passwords. Okay, cool. Open, got the payload ready to go. All right, and it's asking us to, since the header is base64, we need to add two rules. All right, we have to add the two rules. So here's where we add the rules, add prefix, and we're gonna add the rule to add admin to the passwords. And then the second rule is gonna be to encode it in base64. I didn't even know I had this ability to do this. This is cool. Encode. Here we go. Encode. Base64. Great. Okay. And then we should remove anything with, oh, you know what? This is the wrong password list. Is this is this is the old one. This is not the correct one. So you know what? I'm sorry. So let me clear this, remove that. Clear. All right, load. We should grab this one. Common passwords, right? No, that's not right. So let me remove this. Clear it. Yeah, this is the wrong one. Why is it taking us to the wrong one? It's supposed to be this whole different, this whole different one. Oh my gosh, I'm zoomed all the way in. All right, cool. So let me just, all right, let's go all the way down. Go Control C, come back over here. Got to do this whole copy paste thing. All right, cool. Now we've got to do the same thing we did earlier. Ah, crits. It's not what we wanted. We'll just do common passwords, dude. Right, cool. Paste this in. Control to X. All right, then we're going to load it to it. Insert X. Open. All right, now that's looking a lot better. See if we have any with the equal sign. I don't see any with the equal sign. Whatever. All right, cool. So your payload is configured. Define various tasks. Once done, click the position and then begin the attack. Okay. So position isn't set. We'll start the attack. Is it running? Yeah, it's running. Should get a status code 200 when it works. Watch it be that one password I didn't remove the equal sign to. It's going to be that one password I didn't remove the equal sign to. That's the one that's probably going to be it. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. I was too lazy. Too lazy. Got 5 minutes. No rush. Just let me make sure this is good, looking good here. So yeah, it looks good. Let's go back to the attack. Gosh, 42 out of 400. I don't know what type of process they're running on this example, but that's definitely not the one that we're running here. So it should take 2 minutes. I hope so. I got 4 minutes. Once you get once you get a 200, you got to decode it, and then you should be able to log in and get the flag. Keep clicking this. Cross my fingers. Hopefully it reaches. Making me a little bit more nervous because I can't. I should be able to hopefully use the same session, right? But I don't think it will let me do that. So try using Hydra instead of burp to brute force the password. We're just gonna say we completed that. Hydra's the same. Hydra's similar, except as far as decoding and encoding, I don't know how to. I haven't done that before using Hydra, but you just save the form file and then you say you want to like brute force it and you give it the password list and stuff. But I don't want to go through that right now. So I'm just gonna check this one. Let's see, I'm getting unauthorized for this one. And it's been almost 2 minutes, almost 2 minutes. So we got one more minute, and then after that, it's like there's an issue here. I'm gonna check that password file, see if which one has the equal sign, because I bet that's gonna be it. See, like none of these have. See any with an equal sign on it. Why would people someone put an equal sign in theirs? Right? I mean that does most of them they don't even accept special characters, right? Oh, here we go, we got it. Ooh, that was close. All right, so here it actually just gives us the flag. Wow, okay. Huh, that's cool. So hey guys, we got it. That was part of the response. Looks like it logged us in, so we're good to go. All right, next, and we don't really need the attack box anymore. But next we have task 6 for OSNet, and this is discussing how we can use the Wayback Machine to see, previous files that may have affected a website in the past or may help us in enumeration. Go ahead and click complete because you don't need to download it, but it's that's an optional one. So, we went through this whole thing. Go ahead and click complete for this next one. I hope you enjoyed this video and how I walk you through all the steps, help you get the flags, help you learn as you're going along. I recommend you watch other videos. All right, Danny out.